It's a long story. It's a very long story. When I was first with the chairman, I had too mysterious.
Who's the name?
Sweetheart, we're dreaming more. With the real salon, Bruce. So I was a gun and be alcohol different with the Bintino. Once in the pan where you're dreaming more, sweetheart. Posy forward. To be a common tip off. She's saying now, and came from in coffee and put them in fat area. Namkoiska. Straight to Kotoka. The boy me send them $150 which I want me say come point you man. The best send them man. Me say baby ana. Tim do a cram dey $100. Who's a trap the buy crana. Wow we see. $100 ton tare costume na tom power. Check $50. What shall pay the edit?
It's not this year. See, what I want to say, 100,000 going now. What can I? When you find out, we should start from somewhere because it's too much.
As someone make an 80 hour or dialogue see hour. One with my lips, $150, and I'm the $100 at Tom Tari. I got $50.
Everything is coming in. This is all $100, $150. There's $100 back, and $50 back. And only $100 not to turn tired. And I got
15 done. So what's in the building?
See what I'm
because me this cabin up brave of a jam. The buy and cheap, until me say they are put it away 1 year crying a day be one say they no I could try home.
Huh? And I said one at the brand, say not the brand. What's one for you?
And me brand $50,000.
And you didn't have this kind of brand?
Mama, I say.
Raja, what's what happening? What that is getting in there, Johnny? You just jump like a woman. And then from your post at free. I didn't send them because I tell me enough for. What am I going to tell my neighbors? And what if I have one business? How if I have what if what are we going to start from?
Sweetheart, it is not about neighbors. But it's about my life. I mean, me the main point back. I say in spite of your sin and I still love you.
Ghana, you endured. There's one thing I want you to know. Ghana, you have green card, you have your share. You have insurance in your share.
Trambu chako ya jumasia. Kuko mti bisikama kasa. Jamsu di $50,000